Lego toys, awesome Lego toys, awesome Lego toys, awesome Lego toys.
Welcome to Awesome Lego Toys. Last time you saw where we got the farmer and the tribal woman from the Minifigures Series 15, and we went ahead and marked those off our list over here. Oops, uh-oh, Mr. Pig. So today we've got two more figures that we're going to figure out who we got for this series, and the dot codes for this one look like that, and the dot codes for this one I think look like that, but there were a bunch of dots on it, so I'm not sure if that's the right one. So we're going to set that one off to the side, and we're going to, with this dot code, we are going to open it up and see what we get. I want to be careful. Uh-oh. It appears that we have the animal control lady. So she's got a net. And let's go ahead and put her legs there. And put her body up on her legs. And she has two faces. She has a happy face. Oops. And then she has a a not so happy face. And I think, let's go ahead and put her hair on her too. If it'll go on. And there we go. And we'll go ahead and give her her net. And I think probably the reason why, if you haven't guessed it already, why she's not so happy is because she has to catch a skunk. So there is the animal control person with her skunk. And we'll go ahead and add her back to the group with the others. Hopefully the skunk will not scare away everybody else. And let's go ahead and open up our second one. Feels thinking it might be the queen, but we'll have to see. But I think that's the dot code, but I'm not 100% sure, so we'll open it up and we'll find out. And, as I thought, it was the queen. So we got her, we got a bunch of stuff. Alright, so we have her base that takes up the whole, so each Lego minifigure comes with a base, so her whole dress takes up the bottom, takes up that whole thing. Actually, she may have to go, oh, there! That's why. She has a beautiful dress on the bottom. And, let's see, spin her head around. Oh, she only has one face. Oops, see if I can get that to zoom in a little better. Yep, she only has one face. So, and I think with her, we have to put on her beautiful, so the way that the picture is right here is that she has on a cape. So we'll go ahead and get that put on. Try to anyway. Meh. And then on top of her cape she has some sort of another, I guess, fancy cover. We'll put that on to make sure we get all of that. We got those two, and we'll go ahead and put her head on. And we'll go ahead and put her hair on. She's got a big wig. It's pretty crazy. And every queen gets a crown. I just want to make sure that, oop, yeah, we gotta spin it around that way. So there is our queen. So again, the base of her takes up the whole bottom part, and she has two little capes on the back, so that way she can look more regal. And she has her own little crown as well. So we'll add her to the group. So now we have the farmer, the warrior princess, the animal control lady, and the queen. So like, subscribe, and we'll let you guys know what we find out next time. Thanks.